Now, Prime Minister Modi reiterated his Apda salvo at the Aam Aadmi Party, training guns on the Aam Aadmi Party. Modi gave Apda nahi sahenge, badal ke rahenge call. Attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, the Prime Minister stated that the national capital needs freedom from Apda, asserting that Delhi won't tolerate the Aam Aadmi Party. He also assured Delhiites that the lotus will bloom this time in the national capital and the Aam Aadmi Party will nowhere be seen. Raining fire on Kejriwal, Prime Minister highlighted how the centre gave 75,000 crore rupees in funds to Delhi only for its Vikas, and that all the Vikas that's been done in the national capital was possible due to BJP's help.
मैं दिल्ली वासियों से दिल्ली के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए, आपके संतानों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए भाजपा को अवसर देने का आग्रह करने आया हूं। ये भाजपा ही है जो दिल्ली का विकास कर सकती है। साथियों, बीते 10 साल में दिल्ली ने जिस तरह की राज्य सरकार देखी है, वो किसी आपदा से कम नहीं है। ये एहसास आज दिल्ली वालों को अच्छे से हो चुका है। इसलिए अब दिल्ली में है एक ही आवाज गूंज रही है। और इसलिए दिल्ली में एक ही आवाज गूंज रही है, आपदा नहीं सहेंगे, बदल के रहेंगे। दिल्ली पर आपदा लाने वाले ये झूठा आरोप लगाते हैं कि केंद्र सरकार उन्हें काम नहीं करने देती, केंद्र सरकार उन्हें पैसे नहीं देती। ये कितने बड़े झूठे हैं, इसका उदाहरण इनका शीश महल है। आज ही एक बड़े अखबार ने सीएजी रिपोर्ट के आधार पर शीश महल पर हुए खर्च का खुलासा किया है। और साथियों, आपको ये जानकर के पीड़ा होगी, दर्द होगा, अरे पूरे देश के लोग चौंक जाएंगे जब दिल्ली के लोग कोरोना से जूझ रहे थे, जब दिल्ली के लोग ऑक्सीजन और दवाओं के लिए भटक रहे थे, तब इन लोगों का पूरा फोकस अपना शीश महल बनवाने में था। इन्होंने शीश महल का भारी भरकम बजट बनाया और आज इस अखबार ने खुलासा किया है कि कैसे इस शीश महल पर उस बजट से भी 3 गुना ज्यादा पैसे खर्च किए गए। यही इनकी सच्चाई है। इन्हें दिल्ली के लोगों की परवाह नहीं है, दिल्ली के विकास की चिंता नहीं है। इसलिए ही आज हर दिल्ली वाला कह रहा है, आपदा नहीं सहेंगे। महाराष्ट्र ने भाजपा को इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा जनादेश दिया। देश के लोगों ने भी लगातार तीसरी बार भाजपा की सरकार बनाई है। इसमें दिल्ली ने भी एक बार फिर हमारे सभी सांसदों को अपना आशीर्वाद दिया है और अब मुझे विश्वास है दिल्ली विधानसभा में भी कमल खिलने वाला है।
Prime Minister Modi unleashing a fresh salvo at the Aam Aadmi Party as we build up to the Delhi elections, cornering the Aam Aadmi Party for the lack of governance, for the lack of infrastructural projects, and saying that Delhi was pushed into a state of emergency every now and then. Every season, in fact, was made to look like an emergency in the national capital. That's what Prime Minister Modi said, that the Apada wasted 10 years of the people of Delhi. There was also a mention, interestingly, by Prime Minister Modi of the CAG report that's been doing the rounds, which gives a breakdown of what exactly is it that cost in terms of refurbishing the Chief Minister's residence, the Sheesh Mahal, as the BJP has been calling it, the residence of the Chief Minister. Prime Minister Modi making references to it and also quoting some of the numbers that were mentioned in that CAG report, which is being carried by a national daily. It says that the estimated cost, which was around 8 crores, went all the way up till 33, to the tune of 33 crores. And that is what Prime Minister Modi found his plank in terms of unleashing his salvo, and on that is what he tried to corner the Aam Aadmi Party government. Piyush Mishra, my colleague, is joining me for more. Piyush, the one reference being made time and again by the Prime Minister was the Sheesh Mahal, talked about the escalated cost as well that eventually the Exchequer had to, or the PWD had to then pay to refurbish the whole place. The Sheesh Mahal clearly turning out to be that one point that the two parties will have continued to spar over, and on the Prime Minister also trying to corner the Aam Aadmi Party government on the CAG report, which is now out in the public.
Absolutely, Harshit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, in his rally in Rohini's Japanese Park, made an all-out attack on Aam Aadmi Party government, especially on its top leader Arvind Kejriwal, where the Prime Minister, without naming him, said that during the time of Corona, when the people of Delhi were busy battling Corona and there was lack of oxygen and medical supplies were not adequate at the time, the Delhi Aam Aadmi Party government was busy constructing Sheesh Mahal for its leader. At the same time, Prime Minister also said that CAG report has exposed as to how 3 times extra money was spent as which was being estimated. So it's an all-out attack on Arvind Kejriwal led Aam Aadmi Party government by PM Narendra Modi, not only on the issue of Sheesh Mahal but on various fronts. Prime Minister has attacked Aam Aadmi Party government, calling once again Aam Aadmi Party government as the Aapada Sarkar. Prime Minister has also said that only BJP can bring development in Delhi. Double engine ke sarkar can do welfare of the people of Delhi. He has also assured that if BJP forms the government, then no welfare scheme is going to be stopped. In fact, the central schemes, those are meant for people of Delhi, will also be implemented, which Aam Aadmi Party government is not implementing. So there are a series of allegations which Prime Minister has levelled on Arvind Kejriwal led Aam Aadmi Party government, and at 4 p.m. he is also going to do a press conference. Arvind Kejriwal is going to do a press conference. We can expect a response coming in on PM Narendra Modi's rally.